Hi, everyone. Today, we will introduce faster version, switching and branch switching. In the previous video, we introduced how to use HEAD to switch to the work record pointed to by the version number. But it's too cumbersome. Therefore, we will introduce a more convenient method for version switching next. Let's take a look through the video. Here, I will introduce branch switching to you. Here, git branch. F is the command to force the branch to move to a specific commit. Main is the name of the branch, and head refers to the current commit that is checked out or the tip of the current branch.